So yesterday was pretty grueling, pretty rough day. Lots of steep hills, roads with very few or very narrow shoulders, lots of traffic, and wind. Today is more of the same. Some really crazy hills. As you can see, I've got another one coming up here. But today also throw into the mix logging trucks. It's just been lots and lots of logging trucks. And I'm amazed that they're going up some of these hills and these turns, pretty hairpin type turns with these big trucks. So it's pretty crazy. Let's see, 13 miles so far. I think we have about 12 miles more to get to the campground. Hopefully we'll get some better roads. Not counting on it. But anyway, the view is awesome. Just a really rugged coast. And you can tell that the water, the wind is just really rough out there, the way it's blowing everything around. So we're gonna get back up on the road. It is slow going with these roads, especially without the shoulders. But there's no other way to go. So you climb one hill and they just throw another hill at you. Oh well, let's get this hill over with.